Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Atom Finance for landlord financing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Atom Finance for landlord financing, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Atom Finance website. On the home page, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. If you do not have an account yet, click on the Sign Up option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your details and create a secure password. Once registered, return to the Sign In page. Input your email address and password, then click on the Login button. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Landlord Financing section on the dashboard. Click on the Get Started or Learn More button within that section. You may be asked to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once authenticated, review your financing options. Select the financing plan that best meets your needs. Click on the Apply Now button to start your application. Fill out the required information in the application form. Ensure all information is accurate before submitting. Submit your application and wait for confirmation. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your application status. You have now successfully authenticated with Atom Finance for landlord financing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.